Hello, good morning, student. I am dear sir. Welcome to chemistry classes. Student, class 11 chemistry, chapter chemical bonding and topic resonance. Dear student, today we discuss about the resonance phenomena. Dear student, resonance phenomena introduced to explain the bond length as well as bond order, and it is defined as following: that the phenomena in which a molecule have several electronic structure having same energy content by oscillation of pi electron is called resonance. The phenomena in which a molecule have several electronic structure having same energy content obtained by oscillation of pi electron is called resonance. Is it clear? Means in this phenomena a molecule have several electronic structure. Electronic structure means Lewis dot structure. As you already study in ionic bond, in covalent bond or in coordinate bond, different electronic structure, that is several electronic structure. Here one molecule have several electronic structure having same energy content or maybe nearby same energy content obtained by oscillation of pi electron. Here oscillation of pi electron means in different electronic structure pi electron oscillate, and thus it is called resonance. And different structure are called canonical form. And the real structure of molecule is resonance hybrid. निजोनेंस hybrid of these canonical forms. These canonical forms. For example, very simple or cheapest example, that is benzene molecule. Molecules. Student, the structure of benzene molecule is like this. But when this pi electron oscillate from this position and it oscillate to here and this oscillate to here, now we get another electronic structure of this molecule. Like this. And when in this structure further this pi electron oscillate to here, it is here and this here, we get this structure. Thus here two canonical form of benzene possible. And the actual structure of benzene between these two structures, that is known as resonance hybrid and represented like this. This structure of benzene is known as resonance hybrid. And these two structure is known as canonical form. Canonical form of benzene. Now it is clear. We take some more example to clear the phenomena of resonance. According to definition, a molecule has several electronic structure. In case of benzene, you see that benzene has several electronic structure, and these structure are obtained by oscillation of pi electron. So this phenomena is resonance. Now we take some more example of resonance. Some other example like in inorganic molecule. Inorganic molecules. First we take NO3 minus nitrate ion. Dear student, nitrate ion, the common Lewis dot structure of nitrate ion is possible as N double bond O and single bond O coordinate bond O. Here this is first common structure. Student, if this pi electron oscillate here and this is, then we get another structure of nitrate molecule like this. Now this pi electron oscillate here, then we get another structure of this molecule like this. Thus, nitrate molecule passes three canonical form: first, second, and third. This phenomena is referred as resonance in nitrate molecule. Some more example in carbonate ion, carbonate ion CO3 minus. Student, the first Lewis dot structure of carbonate ion is like this. Another structure of carbonate ion, डबल बॉन्ड ऑसिलेट करके पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑसिलेट फ्रॉम दिस पोजीशन टू हियर, देन वी गेट लाइक दिस. Further, this pi electron oscillate to come here, then we get another structure of carbonate ion like this. like this. And the resonance hybrid structure of carbonate ion can be played like this. Like this. This is resonance hybrid structure, and these are first, second, third canonical form of carbonate ion. Now I hope that you understood very well the phenomena of resonance. It is introduced to explain the bond order and bond length in the molecules. Student, some condition for resonance. Some condition for resonance. First, dear student, in resonance, the position of atom fixed. Position of atom fixed. As you see in the above example, एटम की पोजीशन चेंज नहीं होती है, पोजीशन ऑफ एटम फिक्स होती है, बट पोजीशन ऑफ पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन चेंज. So in resonance the position of atom fixed. Second, different canonical form obtained by oscillation of pi electron. Third, number of unpaired electron also fixed in each canonical form. Number of unpaired electron also fixed in each canonical form. Each canonical form में number of electron unpaired electron fix होते हैं, fix. And fourth point, the energy content of each canonical form also equal or nearby equal or near by equal, near by equal. These are some condition or character for resonance. In resonance the position of atom fixed, एटम की पोजीशन फिक्स होती है. डिफरेंट कैनोनिकल फॉर्म ऑब्टेन्ड बाय ऑसिलेशन ऑफ पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन. नंबर ऑफ अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन आल्सो फिक्स्ड इन ईच कैनोनिकल फॉर्म. द एनर्जी कंटेंट ऑफ ईच कैनोनिकल फॉर्म आल्सो इक्वल और नियर बाई इक्वल. These are some condition for the resonance or character or property of resonance. Now resonance energy. Resonance energy. Dear student, resonance energy is the amount of energy, the amount of energy which released